Welcome to my place, guys. No wanted stuff, just peace and food.
Yo, look at that shit.
Excuse me, my dad.
OMG! Mansion ni Nico? Guys, say hi to my vlog!
Swear, Luna. Kung may mabangga ka dyan kakablog mo, tatao muna ako bago tumulong.
Pwedeng mag-charge agad? Lubat na ako, guys.
Of course you are. Live on that phone.
Ang tahimik naman ng area mo, Nico.
Wala masyadong kapitbahay kaya perfect for our weekend.
It's really big. Yeah, feels so quiet though.
Nico, seryoso? You live here alone?
Yeah, parents ko nasa abroad so we can do whatever we want.
Dangerous world, my friend.
Challenge accepted.
Chill lang, Rico. We're not in a movie.
Aren't we?
Let's play a game, guys. Find the key. Whoever finds the key gets free dinner. How about that? Sure.
Easy. Where do you hide it?
Secrets. Somewhere sa first floor lang.
Okay, vlogging ko to. Let's go! What's up, guys? So we're playing Find the Key. Find the key? Narito ako ngayon sa kitchen, hanapin the key. The key. Saan kaya yun, guys? Can you help me find it? Hehe. Hehe. Okay, guys. Baka nandito sa cabinet. I-check natin.
Hey guys, have you seen Luna? She's gone. I can't find her anywhere. Maybe she's just recording somewhere. Alam mo naman yung kung ano-anong binablog. No, I heard something break earlier.
Probably my guitar. O baka nagtatago lang siya. Let's check the kitchen.
No, okay. This isn't funny anymore.
Oh, nah. Is this some kind of horror thing? Sana hindi na lang ako sumama pag ganito naman yung mangyayari. I'll go upstairs and look around. The fuck is happening? Shit! Yo, Rico, let's go outside and find internet connection.
Okay, sige. I just think I don't know, man. If you could have a building. Huh?
Rico? Rico! Where you at? Rico!
Oh, wow.
Oh my God, Luna! What's going on? Guys, come here! I found Luna!
Shh.
Oh my God, what happened?
How did this do?
Everyone stay here. Nobody goes out alone.
Ano bang nangyayari? Bro, di pa ako pwedeng mamatay. Di pa ako nagkaka-girlfriend.
Oh my God, Dylan, are you serious? Nakikita mo na nga, ganyan ba sinasabi mo?
Gentlemen, can you two stop it na? Para kayong mga bata.
Sorry, but my parents bro. Wala ka naman iwan ko sila. Only child din ako bro, alam niyo yan.
Only child din naman ako bro ah.
Maybe it's that tahimik ka palagi, baka ikaw. What? Hindi siya ganun, Mira. And you do not have the right na magbinta ka ng walang ebidensya.
You sure about that?
Yeah. Why so offensive, Kiara? Grabe ka naman magalit o baka naman magkasabwat kayo kasi palagi kayong tahimik. Tangina, Mira. Kami ba talaga? Wait. You two. Yeah. Surprise.
You all think we came here for fun, but we came here for earnings.
Games make me happy, and killing just makes it more exciting.
You're insane.
No, Nico. We're just free.
What are you doing, Miss Mira? Matagal na tayo magkaibigan. What? You're my friend, Mira. Back then, you're so sweet and innocent. So bad, baby. That was me for back. Why are you doing this? Because it's fun. You never get bored when someone screams.
Never scream, make the song.
Game over, ha? Samantha, huwag mo lang patagalin. I'm sorry.
They weren't hunted. They were just broken inside.
And we were trapped with them.
And let's leave this place forever.
Diba?